Guys, I want to show you how you can prepare your paving sand before sanding your pavings or patio. So the technique really is to avoid weed to grow on your slabs or paving. You can mix your paving sand with the table salt. This prevents weeds to grow. So this is what we're going to do for the preparation. Let me show you how you can do it. So you open your bag. And you add, we can empty this table salt with this bag. And then when you add it, you can mix it. We can add a little bit more. And with the brush, you can now start distributing that everywhere you want. So this is how you can prepare your paving sand before resanding to avoid weeds in your paving or patio.